Welcome once again to the Saferhub. So today's episode on Daily Cipher will unveil the code sequence for winning 1 million coins. As you can see, you first of all take your daily reward. Every day you make sure you log in and take your daily reward. Then daily cipher, daily combo, and then play a mini game. These are the activities that make you accumulate more tokens and then get more keys. Yes, the keys we're meant to understand will be very useful in the future. All right, so without delaying further, we click on Daily Cipher. Okay, and the word for today, the word we're going to find in this code is clone. Clone is CLONE. All right, clone. The first letter is C, and the code is dash dot dash dot. Okay, dash dot dash dot. Okay, the second letter is L, and the code is dot dash dot dot. Okay, dot dash dot dot. The third letter is O, and the code is dash dash dash. Okay, and the next letter is N, and the code is dash dot dash dot. And the last letter E is dot dot. All right, that's it. The game has been played and the 1 million coins has been added to my accumulated token.